Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Forms not require sign in. And here I'm going to show you the uh, easiest steps. First, you just open your Google Form, the Google Forms that you created. Okay, I've already opened the form, so to make it so it doesn't need uh the respondent doesn't need to sign in when you fill in this form. You can just go to the settings of the Google form. So click on this settings tab, and here under your responses section, let's scroll down. You need to adjust two settings on this. So for the colleague email address, you need to change it from verified into do not collect. So you can see now, if you are on verified settings, so the respondents will be required to sign in. So you need to click on this and change it into do not collect. So there will not be a sign in request. And here the require sign in section, you can just turn this off so that the respondent will not be required to sign in. So after that, you can just click on send and share the link. So after you send it, so anyone can fill the form, sorry, without having to sign in. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.